Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with pairing and the right image. This avoids sync delays and poor cropping. Once paired, open photos and pick a single clear picture or a small set you like. Make quick edits now, crop for focus, increase contrast so numbers remain readable, and keep the subject away from the edges. You're doing this first because a prepared image saves time when creating the face, and it ensures complications won't obscure important parts of the photo. Now create the actual watch face using the Watch app. That gives precise control. Tap Face Gallery, pick Photo Single or Photos Album. Select your chosen image or album, then set time position and choose complications that won't block key parts of the photo. Once done, adjust zoom and filters to keep the subject centered and ensure readability of the hands or digital time. This method syncs settings immediately, so you can preview on the watch and tweak if text or hands cover the subject. Finish by tapping Add or Set, then glance at your wrist to confirm alignment and complication legibility. If the face looks off, make minor edits in the Watch app and reapply. Small zoom or position changes fix most composition issues. If the image fails to sync, make sure the Watch app has photos permission and there's enough storage, then restart phone and watch. That resolves most hiccups. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.